Alright, welcome back. We're going to put a nice wash on this. Real dark wash. As black as can be. We're going to mix it up here a little bit with a little bit of this glue. This is my normal wash. That was just a little black paint. Here's my normal wash. We're just going to mix this up. Did a little testing. What this does is actually stabilizes the piece quite a bit. It adheres to the surface really good. Helps that color bond. Now I will not re-add this back to my wash jar because it has the glue in it. I'm only doing this for the first coat. You still want it thin enough that it'll run into all the little crevices. Cast that back shadow. Alright. Here we go. I let that coat dry really good. There's still quite a few little spots. What I'm going to do now is just go back and touch all those little spots I missed. Maybe darken some areas if I think they need to be darkened. That's all. Just make sure you got a really good layer of black down. What's nice about that the layer with the glue is it gets into all the little nooks and crannies and actually stabilizes the piece quite a bit. You can really feel the difference. That's why I just let it dry overnight. Now I'll just use regular black paint, craft paint, come along and touched all of those areas. If you have a hard time covering something, do that trick again with the glue. One of the things I want to do is I want to paint this a different color. Just the inside of this design, like a blue. I was thinking. We're just going to use a fine liner and just try to paint that inside the closest as I can. Alright, what I'm doing here is I'm taking my little diamond encrusted tool and I'm hollowing these centers out. I'm going to be able to put a gem in there. If I get it too deep, I'll kind of show you. It'll be flat, so it'll actually inset into each one of these. Those. I'm going to do the same here, put gems in these. we're going to do is we're just going to wash this with a real light wash. I want this one to be really weak. Remember, you're going to put one more little light wash on at the end when, after you do your decoration, adding your decor, you have to add a little bit of age to it. So it's nice to put a little light wash at the end too. That's why I want this to be pretty thin. Not going to see much. It's just going to take that sharpness away. Alright, this is my water and glue jar. I just add some glue to this jar and add some water. We're just going to add the black gravel to these areas real quick. We're just going to make a slurry.